Everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the September 2024 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options: the card kit of the month, the fancy dies of the month, the clear set plus dies of the month, the cling of the month, the layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Let's start things off with the card kit of the month. As a Card Kit of the Month subscriber, you enjoy a discounted price and guaranteed availability with the added benefit of free domestic shipping. Additionally, the Card Kit of the Month is available for one-time purchase, but only while supplies last. Now let's take a look at the September Card Kit of the Month. This month's card kit includes Haunted Scenic Clear Stamp Set, 20 coordinating dies, Animal Eyes Clear Stamp Set, Moon Window Die, White Pumpkins Decorative Tape, Black Crows Decorative Tape, 2 sheets Halloween Hero Transfers, Glow-in-the-Dark Lacquer Pen, Unicorn Pigment Ink Cube, and 10 sheets of black watercolor paper. Now let's take a closer look at all these items, starting off with the Haunted Scenic Stamp Set. The 6x8 clear stamp set is perfect for building captivating spooky scenes. Also included are 20 coordinating dies that cut out the images and all the sentiments from the Haunted Scenic Stamp Set. At the heart of the set is a large image of a haunted house, complemented by several eerie scene-building elements like tombstones and jack-o'-lanterns. In addition to these elements, the set also features a hauntingly fun array of characters to fill your scenes. Trick-or-treaters, playful ghosts, and even a quirky skeleton band bring life and charm to your scenes. The silhouetted images work beautifully against bold, ink-blended backgrounds, making it easy to achieve a rich, spooky atmosphere without the need for extensive coloring. Add a touch of color to the windows, and your scene instantly comes to life. When stamped over colorful backgrounds, these stamps are perfect for single-layer card designs. For added flair, try using embossing powders to give your images fun texture and shine. The next item included in the September card kit is the Animal Eyes stamp set. This 3x4 clear stamp set is perfect for adding a touch of eerie charm to your projects. Featuring spooky animal images such as an owl and cat, but also includes 5 pairs of haunting eyes and 3 playful sentiments, making this set ideal for Halloween-themed cards, tags, and more. The next item included in the kit is the Moon Window Die. This die cuts a large, captivating moon as the focal point with an eerie branch reaching across. When cut from a panel of colored cardstock, the die instantly creates a dramatic card front, perfect for the spooky season. Also try pairing the die with an ink-blended panel for a big impact. And don't forget that negative. Use the moon negative to create a stunning bonus card. The next 2 items included in the kit are the White Pumpkins and Black Crows decorative tape. Each tape is 1 inch wide and 10 yards long. One tape has cute white pumpkins and the other haunting black crows. Use these decorative tapes to add the perfect spooky finish to your Halloween projects. Also included in the kit are these 2 Halloween transfers. The black transfer sheet is filled with hauntingly beautiful images of black cats, ravens, and spiderwebs, while the white transfer sheet brings a ghostly touch with a collection of pumpkins, ghosts, and skeletons. Whether you're crafting cards, decorations, or scrapbook pages, these rub-ons will add the perfect finishing touch. Next up, we have a glow-in-the-dark lacquer pen. This pen is perfect for adding eye-catching dimensional details to your creative projects. Whether you're bringing the haunted house image to life with glowing windows, or applying the lacquer pen directly to cardstock to create luminous panels that can be used for backgrounds or die cutting, this pen ensures your designs stand out even in the dark. Also included in the kit is your favorite white pigment ink, a Unicorn Pigment Ink Cube. This white pigment ink cube delivers rich, opaque color that ensures excellent coverage on both light and dark surfaces. And the last item included in the September card kit is some black watercolor paper. This kit includes 10 sheets measuring 5.5 by 8.5 of our premium black watercolor paper. The rich black surface provides a stunning contrast for vibrant watercolor pigments and is perfect for creating striking panels. Now that we have looked at the entire contents of the September card kit of the month, let's move on to our other subscriptions, our monthly minis. Like the card kit of the month, subscribers to any one of our 4 monthly minis enjoys a discounted price, guaranteed availability of the products, and free domestic shipping. Additionally, the monthly minis are available for a one-time purchase, but only while supplies last. Now let's take a closer look at the monthly minis, starting off with the September Fancy Dies of the Month, Mirror Portraits. The Mirror Portraits die set is a bewitching addition to your Halloween crafting collection. This set features an elaborate ornate oval frame exuding vintage elegance. This frame is also complemented by 3 silhouetted portraits of a man, woman, and child. In addition, this set pairs seamlessly with the Haunted Romance dies from this month's Extraordinary Extras. For an eerie twist, layer the skeleton die cut from the Haunted Romance set over the Mirror Portrait silhouettes to evoke a chilling, ghostly effect. Additionally, the child silhouette is customizable. Simply trim off the ponytail to transform the image for another variation. Embrace the spirit of Halloween with these versatile dies and craft hauntingly beautiful projects that will delight and spook in equal measure. The next monthly mini is the September Clear Set Plus Dies of the Month, Witch's Kitchen. This 4x6 clear stamp set is a bewitching collection designed to help crafters conjure up the perfect spooky scene. The set comes with coordinating dies that make cutting out the images a breeze, and the real magic lies in the innovative door die. This special die actually cuts a functional door that can open and close, unlocking a world of creative possibilities for interactive designs. The stamp set is packed with a delightful assortment of images, including a bubbling cauldron, a mischievous black cat, an array of potions, a trusty broom, and a whimsical witch's hat. The set also contains some fun sentiments like sending you a little magic and wicked witches to you. Each element is designed to bring a touch of magic and mystery to your projects, whether you're creating a full-fledged witch's lair or adding a hint of enchantment to your cards. Next up is the September Cling of the Month, Chandelier and Spiderwebs. This 6x6 red rubber cling stamp is a standout piece from this Halloween theme release. The stamp features a finely detailed backdrop of delicate spiderwebs, and atop this intricate webbing are striking silhouetted chandeliers. Pair the stamp with vibrant ink-blended backgrounds or heat embossed on color cardstock for beautiful results. And our last monthly mini is the September Layering Stencil of the Month, Color Layering Manor. Bring your Halloween creations to life with this 4-piece layering stencil set, perfect for crafting eerie and atmospheric scenes. The set features a hauntingly detailed house nestled within a creepy landscape, creating the perfect spooky ambience. Each stencil layer is equipped with 4 precise registration marks, ensuring easy alignment and allowing you to build your scene seamlessly. As you layer the stencils, the scene gains depth and intricate detail, with each step adding more dimension and richness. Experiment with various color palettes and ink-blended gradations to enhance the realism of your design. For an even more captivating finish, pair these stencils with images and sentiments from the Halloween card kit to create a truly unforgettable creation. And now that we've finished looking at all 4 monthly minis, let's move on to our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions in one glorious and discounted buy. The Whole Studio is valued at over $192 and is available with a subscription at the discounted price of $120 and includes free domestic shipping. Like the previous subscription options, the Whole Studio is available for a one-time purchase, but only while supplies last. The September Whole Studio includes the entire September card kit, which we covered at the beginning of this video, the September Fancy Die of the Month, Mirror Portraits, the September Clear Plus Dies of the Month, Witch's Kitchen, the September Cling of the Month, Chandelier and Spiderwebs, and the September Layering Stencil of the Month, Color Layering Manor. And that completes our closer look at the September Hero Studio Card Kit of the Month, the 4 monthly minis, and the September Whole Studio. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your September Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. And as a reminder, this card kit of the month, the monthly minis, and the Whole Studio are limited in supply, so once we sell out, we are out and the products will not be restocked. Sign up for your subscription today to guarantee your kit receives special discounts as well as free shipping on your subscriptions. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.